Making money online through writing can be done in several ways. In this video, Successeum, I'm going to give you 5 options that you can consider. So, don't skip the video because you might miss something important. 1. Paid online writing jobs. Looking for a real online job? In this job, you can get paid $20 to $50 per hour by your desired choice. You just need to do simple writing jobs online. No experience required, and you can work from home. We put the link in the description for you, so don't forget to check it out. 2. Freelance writing. You can write for online publications, blogs, or businesses as a freelancer. There are many websites where you can find freelance writing gigs, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can also approach websites or businesses directly and offer your services. 3. Blogging and writing ebooks. Starting your own blog and creating content can be a way to earn money. It can be through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling digital products such as ebooks. You also can write your own ebooks on topics you are knowledgeable about. So you can sell them on your blog and other platforms such as Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing or Apple's iBook Store. 4. Online course creation. You can create and sell online courses on platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. 5. Copywriting and content creation. Writing copy for websites, landing pages, and social media can be a lucrative option if you have skill for persuasive writing. You can create content for other digital platforms too. This could include writing blog posts, social media posts, or video scripts. Remember, making money through online writing takes time, effort, and persistence. But if you want to make $20 to $50 per hour right now, you can click the link in our description about paid online writing jobs. If you don't, you should focus on creating high-quality content and building your audience. Be patient, because the money and result will come with time. Thanks for watching Successeum. See you on our next video.